In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a anchor links in Jimdo. So anchor links allows users to jump to specific sections of a page, making a navigation easier. Since Jimdo doesn't have a built-in anchor link feature, we'll use a simple workaround to achieve this. Listen carefully as I explain this step. So first, make sure you are on the official website of Jimdo, and then select the website you want to edit in here. But first, make sure you are already logged in here. Now, navigate to the page where you want to add the anchor link. And since Jimdo doesn't allow direct HTML editing, we'll use a text workaround. Scroll to the section where you want to add the anchor link to take users, and then add a text block and type a unique identifier like section 1 or whatever you want to add in here, and then highlight the text and apply bold or different color to make it easy to spot. And now go to the section where you want to place a clickable link, add a text block or button, then type your anchor link text, and then highlight the text, click the link icon, and select external URL as the link type. And then in the URL field, enter your current page URL followed by the hashtag in the anchor text. And after that, click Save and Publish to apply your changes, and then open the Publish page and click the anchor link to check if it scrolls to the correct section. And that's it. That's how you add a anchor link in Jimdo. While Jimdo doesn't have a built-in features for this, using text box as anchor and linking to them works as an easy solution. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.